Hello everyone, mabuhay. I'm Joshua Jan M. Sacopayo, BSHM1, Section 4. Let's talk about the 12 types of accommodation. First is hotel, a commercial establishment that provides lodging, meals, and other services to travelers and guests. Hotels can be classified based on their target market, and there's additional facilities may include restaurant, swimming pool, and other services. The second one, condominium, an apartment type that has complete inside or individual's own individual unit. Each owner holds a title to their specific unit and owner pay monthly fees to cover maintenance. 3rd, motor motels, are commonly known as a motel and accommodation facilities near highways. These are typically 1 or 2 stories high. They primarily cater to motorists seeking affordable and convenient lodging for short stay. 4th is inns, a generally smaller and offering a more intimate and cozy atmosphere. Inns provide rooms for travelers to stay overnight or short time. 5th is apartment, typically consisting of multiple rooms designed for residential use by an individual, family, or group of people. Offers short or long-term stay. Apartments are more common in cities. The 6th is Paradors, a network of state-run luxury hotels in Spain, often located in historical significant buildings. Paradors are situated in meticulously restored castles. 7 is pension, a type of lodging similar to boarding house and small hotel. Typically managed by family and less expensive than traditionals. And 8 is bed and breakfast, a type of lodging establishment that offers overnight accommodation and breakfast located in private residence. Owner or host often live on site, providing personalized service and attention to guests. And the 9th is hostels, a budget-friendly type of lodging that offers short-term and provide minimal amenities. Are generally more affordable than hotels, allowing travelers to save money on accommodation. And the 10th is campground, an area of land where people can camp overnight. Campground may offer amenities such as fireplaces or fire pits. And the 11th is health spa. Caters who wants to go springs to relax like hot springs or more. Many health spa emphasize a holistic approach, balancing body and mind. And the last one, private homes. A non-public residential property where a person or family resides and control the use of place and offer accommodation facilities. These also separate set of living quarters designed for human habitation. And those are the 12 types of accommodation. Thank you for watching.